Alright, I'm going to go ahead and begin by sharing my PowerPoint screen, and let's start my show here for you. For the last project and for my final paper in ED 507 in technology and diversity in education, I decided to create a little PowerPoint to go over some of the stuff that I researched, some of the items that I wanted to use, and some of the items I have been using. So here we go. The first technology, I actually discussed 3 in my paper, but I'm going to kind of just touch on each of these as I go through this. The first technology being utilized in my classroom is text-to-speech. How the text-to-speech is being utilized. Text-to-speech allows students to hear not only the words read aloud to them, but allows them to stop and go back over them at their own pace. Other features provide students with similar words, synonyms, definitions with meanings, or even pictures to help students grasp a certain concept. Giving students the ability to hear the words spoken verbally gives students the advantage to listen and move along at their own pace. The second form of technology being utilized was Google Docs and Google Presentations. Google Docs and Google Presentations allow students to share an idea, whether as the whole class or in a small group, and allows each student to work on one part of a particular project or idea. This team building allows them to engage in what they are learning and allows for the applying, strategizing, and developing of new ideas no matter what background or level. Students share knowledge and growing and developing their own ideas and bouncing them off of each other creates one unified tool. And the third form of technology being used is the interactive board. The interactive board allows students to manipulate items on the screen and physically move and adjust them with a pen, a tablet, or other items. Students have the capability to share what they have learned in a visual format that allows creativity and personal preference to all different styles of learning. The interactive board also, students from diverse backgrounds, any students for that matter, get to visually see what they and their classmates have developed, and have the ability to add and make changes and adapt to their own personal needs and understandings. When it comes to the conclusion of all this, all of these tools are designed to engage the learner and provide students with a support to text, images, and sound. All of these forms of technology are tools that enhance student achievement and growth in their educational journey.